Hello everyone, welcome back. Next exercise which we are going to cover is of finding the longest word in a string. Return the length of the longest word in provided sentence. Your response should be number. In that case, first we need to separate each word. Let words, it will be an array. In that case, let words equal to str dot a split wherever there is a space. Now we should run a loop for let I equal to 0, I less than words dot length I plus plus, and in the loop we will be using, let's declare another variable max which should be equal to initial value of 0, and in this case if max is less than words I dot length, then max equal to words I dot length, and in the end we will return the value of max. This looks good. So what we are actually doing is, first we are separating a string into words array, which you can see here. I will show you using console.log words separate words. After that we will check value of max against words length in each iteration, so that the value of max is the same as the longest word in the provided sentence. Let's check now. Let's run the test, and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.